Every path beneath my footsteps feels like leading me back home. Through the forest full of sunlight, every leaf begins to shine. Even time forgets to hurry when this quiet world is mine. Every breeze becomes a whisper, every heartbeat finds its place. When the morning greets the sky, every eagle learns to fly. Every river knows my name, every season stays the same. With the mountains by my side, I have everything I need. In the sunlight, in the wind, life becomes a simple dream. Wildflowers beside the old road bloom without a single fear. Every color tells a story only open hearts can hear. High above the silent valleys, clouds are sailing slow and free, like they carry ancient blessings floating gently over me. Every shadow brings new wonder, every sunrise feels brand new. When the morning greets the sky, every eagle learns to fly. Every river knows my name, every season stays the same. With the mountains by my side, I have everything I need. In the sunlight, in the wind, life becomes a simple dream. When the evening wraps the mountains, stars awaken one by one. Every silence feels like music long before the day is done. I don't need a road behind me, I don't need to understand. All I ever hoped to find was already here within this land. When the morning greets the sky, every eagle learns to fly. Every river knows my name, every season stays the same. With the mountains by my side, I have everything I need. In the sunlight, in the wind, life becomes a simple dream. Hear the voices of the forest, feel the rhythm of the streams. Every step becomes forever, living far